Good day.
Good day.
I'm just coming to see how far you guys reach with the repairs.
Yes, good. You could come inside, look at the bathroom, come over here.
Oh, they're finally working on the bathroom back again. You know, they renovate this place. I don't have on my bra.
You don't have on your bra?
Oh, they put in different
No, don't take my
bathrooms.
picture. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't take my picture. Don't do that.
Come on.
Let me take the bathroom.
You should have. Wait, let me leave. You're moving too fast.
Yeah.
Wait,
Hold on,
wait.
hold on, miss.
Let me
The
get a
bathroom,
wait.
come on.
You don't
Oh, okay, come on, come on, come on.
You don't supposed to do
Come
that.
on.
It's against the job policy. No, you don't supposed to do that. You can't take no picture of the bathroom. It's not.
That's
The
the
boss
finish.
told me. Yeah, just remember, you don't supposed to do that. No, it's against the policy.
So I'm on there with you, I'm on. What you got right here?
No, I'm up all night.
Let's come.
I joke in the picture. I joke now.
You're the America 40 a year.
Making a video. Oh, shit. Making a video.
It's upstairs there, I'm smelling it. I was married. My husband was from St. Catherine.
Yeah.